Hello and welcome. We're now looking at the website zoom.us. Now Zoom is made for online meetings where you can share your screen and your camera, as well as message people in real time. So it's live video. And most notably, it can also be used as a webinar system. Individuals can come and join your online meeting if they're connecting through their personal computer or on their mobile device. And from a mobile device, Zoom does allow both starting as well as joining online meetings and webinars. So in this series of tutorial videos, we'll be looking at the process of setting up a Zoom meeting and starting your own webinars and online conferencing. We'll look at the Zoom meeting software in both its basic and advanced forms, and we'll also look at integrations with third-party applications and look at those primarily used through the Zoom program itself. In particular, we'll look at both scheduling and storage. So, we'll start the process with a discussion of the plans and the pricing, and those most likely to be used by both entrepreneurs and information creators, as well as people just staying in touch with friends, family and colleagues. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.